Hey, it's Clary here, and today I'll be showing you how to set up a BungeeCord network. Firstly, we're going to go ahead and create the services. Head to Server.pro and enter your VPS. Then you're going to want to create 3 services like I've done here. A BungeeCord proxy, the first server, which is usually the hub or the lobby, and the second server. So for each of those servers, there will be a specific memory allocation you need to set. For the hub, make sure the initial memory is 1024M and the max is 1024M. On the other servers, ensure that the initial is 1024M and that the max is 2048M. For a 6GB server, we recommend 2GB set here. More is possible if you have more memory. The initial memory should always be set at 1024. Now that we've set up the services correctly, we're going to want to configure the services as well. In the BungeeCord proxy server, head to Files and then open config.yml. Scroll down until you see the server section, and this is where you're going to want to add each server you've created to the BungeeCord proxy. For example, since I have 2 servers that I want to connect, I'll be copying this bit of text here and then copying it once more. Then I'm going to go ahead and edit the port for the correct services. For the lobby, I'm going to leave that as it is, but for the minigame service, I'm going to go ahead and locate the port for it and then paste the correct one in the BungeeCord proxy config. After that's done, scroll down to listeners and ensure the query port is set to 25577. Then under priorities, we're going to ensure the lobby is the first world we're connecting to when joining. You can do that by pasting the hostname followed by 25577. Then make sure that the default server option is set to true and the IP forward is set to true as well. This is crucial, so please make sure you do this. After that's done, save the file and restart the server for the changes to take effect. Now there are some configurations we have to make to the services we're connecting to the proxy. Navigate to one of the servers, for example I'll be heading to lobby, click on files, open up spigot.yml and change the BungeeCord option to true. Then save the file and head to the server.properties file. There, find the online mode setting and set that to false. Once that's done, restart the service and you should then proceed to follow these same steps in every one of your servers apart from the proxy. Once that's done, you should go back to your BungeeCord proxy and restart that service too. If everything's been configured correctly, you should see the following message in the console. Now that we've set up everything correctly, we're able to copy the hostname. Also make sure to remember the proxy port. Then head into your server and press multiplayer, head into direct connect and then paste the address along with the proxy port. Then you should be able to successfully join the hub. You should then also join other servers on the network by doing /server and then the server name. As you can see, I'm able to connect back and forth. I hope I was able to assist you in setting up your server. If you have any further questions, please leave a comment down below or contact our support. Bye guys!